Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel We Are Scholars. This is third part of our lecture series Electricity. In this part we are covering system of resistors. That means resistance in series and resistance in parallel. So let's start. Here we have resistance of a system of resistors connected in series. So let us consider three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in series as shown in figure. We know according to Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. Here resistance are connected in series, so we write R as RS. For series, we substitute S, resistance in series. Write it equation 1. Now potential difference across R1, R2, R3 can be obtained using above relation. So here potential difference across R1, V1 is equal to IR1. Potential difference across R2, V2 is equal to IR2, and potential difference across R3, V3 is equal to IR3. V1 plus V2 plus V3, V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. Now this is total potential difference. That is V is equal to, take I common, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now put the value of V from this equation. V is equal to IRS. So here IRS is equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now cancel I both side. We get RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the relation when three resistance R1, R2, R3 connected in series. Their combined resistance is sum of their individual resistance. Right? Now we can calculate resistance of resistor connected in parallel. Okay. Now let us consider resistors in parallel. Let us consider three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel as shown in figure. We know according to Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR P, because we are taking resistance in parallel, so that's why we put RP, resistance in parallel. From here we calculate I is equal to V upon RP. This is our first equation. From here the current divided into three parts, I1, I2, I3. With the help of this relation, you can find out the current across R1, R2 and R3. So current across R1, R2 and R3 as I1 current across R1, that is V upon R1, I2 current across R2, V upon R2, I3 current across R3, V upon R3. Now adding equation 2, 3 and 4, we get I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. This becomes I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to I, total current. And taking V common, it becomes 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now value of I we take from equation 1. I is equal to V upon RP. So put I is equal to V upon RP is equal to V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now cancel V from both sides. Then we get 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So this is the relation when three resistance R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel. We join them and the equivalent resistance is equal to reciprocal of the sum of their individual resistance. Right? Now we will do some numericals on resistance in series and resistance in parallel. In this numerical, an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected in series to a 6 volt battery. We have to calculate total resistance of the circuit, the current through the circuit, and the potential difference across the lamp and the conductor. So first we do A part, total resistance of the circuit. They are connected in series. So Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. Here R1 is resistance of lamp and R2 is resistance of conductor. So it becomes 20 plus 4 is equal to 24 ohm. Right? This is our first answer. The current through the circuit. For B, we have V is equal to 6 volt. R is equal to Rs is equal to 24 ohm. Now, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V upon Rs. Here V is 6 and Rs is 24. 1 by 4. 0.25 ampere. Right? Now, in third question, the potential difference across the lamp and the conductor. So, in C part, V potential difference across the lamp, right? So, if we find out potential difference across the lamp, then we take the resistance of lamp. So, V is equal to I into R. Here I is 0.25 and resistance is 20 ohm. So it becomes 5 volt, right? For second, potential difference across the conductor, that is equal to I into resistance of conductor R, right? ये resistance of length था RL, RC resistance of conductor. So I 0.25 into resistance 4, that becomes 1 volt. So we can easily calculate total resistance of the circuit. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2, that becomes 20 plus 4, 24 ohm. Then current through the circuit. So V is equal to IR, I is equal to V upon R. We have V 6 volt and total resistance 24. So total current 0.25 ampere. Now we have to calculate potential difference across the lamp and the conductor. If we calculate across the lamp, we take the value of lamp, resistance of lamp. So I we have from above 0.25 ampere into 25 volt. And potential difference across conductor I into RC, resistance of conductor, 0.25 into 4, 1 volt. Right? So let's do our next numerical. In this problem, three resistors of 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm are connected in parallel to a battery of 12 volt. We have to calculate the current through each resistor, the total current in the circuit, the total circuit resistance, right? So first, current through each resistor. Given R1 5 ohm, R2 10 ohm, R3 30 ohm, V 12 volt. So current through resistance R1, I1 is equal to V upon R1. V is 12 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 2.4 ampere. Current through resistance R2, I2 is equal to V upon R2. So V is 12, R2 is 10. So that is 1.2 ampere. Now current through resistance R3, I3 is equal to V upon R3. So V12, R3 30. So we cut it. 3 4s are 12, 3 10s are 30, 0.4 ampere. So first is done. The current through each resistor I1, I2, I3. In second, he is asking the total current in the circuit. So add these three values. For part B, the total current in the circuit, that is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to 2.4 plus 1.2 plus 0.4, that is 4 ampere, right? So part B is done. Now the total circuit resistance, with the help of that relation, when resistance are connected in parallel, you can calculate the total resistance. Also you can calculate, you have the value of current I and value of voltage potential difference V, 12 volt. So R is equal to, for third, the total circuit resistance R is equal to V upon I. So it is 12 upon 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 ohm. Right? You can also calculate the value of R by using relation 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. 1 upon Rp, LCM is 30, 5 6 are 30, 10 3s are 30, 31s are 30. 1 upon Rp, 10 by 30. If we reciprocal it, Rp is equal to 3 ohm. So you can calculate the value of R by both the methods, with the help of Ohm's law or with the help of the relation when the resistance are connected in parallel. Now we will do our next numerical. In this problem, in the given figure, we have 5 resistance R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5, and the arrangement is these two are connected in parallel between these 2 points, and these 3 are connected into parallel between these 2 points. So, and a 12 volt battery, a battery is also given 12 volt, is connected as the given arrangement. Calculate total resistance in the circuit, right, and total current flowing in the circuit. First you have to calculate total resistance in the circuit. For this you have to calculate the parallel combination R1 and R2 together and R3, R4, R5 also together. So for this combination, we calculate 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. That is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. Right? Take the LCM. 40. 4 plus 1. That is 5 by 40. Now cut. That is 1 by 8. So here, if we reciprocal it, R dash is equal to 8 ohm first. Now for R3, R4 and R5, you use the same relation. We calculate, we denote it 1 by R double dash is equal to 1 by R3 is 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. Now the LCM of 30, 20, 60 is 60. 32s are 23s are 61s are. So it becomes 6 by 60. That is 1 by 10. So if we reciprocal, R double dash is equal to 10 ohm. Now total resistance, total R dash plus R double dash, 8 plus 10, 18 ohm. So total resistance is 18 ohm. Now we have done first part. Total current flowing in the circuit. We have to calculate I. Total current I is equal to V upon R total resistance. Voltage is, this is B part. Voltage is 12, resistance is 18. So if we cut 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. 0.67 ampere. This is the value of current which flow in this circuit, right? So we have covered three numericals on the basis of series and parallel combination. Now in our next video, we will cover Joule's law of heating and electric power. Thank you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and do comment also.